Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and this is the weekend edition. The stocks, especially in the Dow, post the worst week of 2012. On Friday, the markets started off quite bearish. We rallied back into positive territory. Bank leading the charge. The VIX down 4.8%. We're down below 15, gang. The gold rallying still. Last couple of days been a nice little pop, and we had a late day run on Thursday, and Friday we had a continuation with a gap up and a run here on GLD. Silver up 2.3%. The crude oil up. So commodities really doing exceptionally well. US dollar down 0.5%. And here, taking a look at the S&P daily. Had this big drop, finding support at the 11 EMA. We get a hammer, and this hammer is a bullish reversal pattern, and we're looking to have a bounce here. And if we do bounce there, that would put us a trend line somewhere about there. We are in a rising wedge, so this is something we gotta be really careful with, especially on this bearish divergence we have on the MACD. However, if we go higher, there could be a chance we could add some longs and get a nice little leg out of this going into this week. Remember, there's a lot of window dressing out there taking place due to this next week rounding out the quarter. Let's go to the weekly chart here on the S&P. We had this big run. Now you have what's called a spitting top trend reversal pattern, and it's also a bearish harami. So it's pretty ugly. If we do make a new low, meaning that we go lower than 1386, right here, 1386, we could get a nice little correction here in the markets. Usually after you get a big spike like we have here, and then things start to turn around so quickly, usually you get a drop, much like here. Get this big white candlestick that pops up, and then it just crashes. Get this big white candlestick that pops up after a big run, crashes. So here you get this big pop up after a run, and then it crashes. So on the weekly chart, that's what we're looking at. It'd be really interesting to see what next week brings us, because we do have a bullish setup on the monthly chart. And we have busted a number of major resistance areas here on the monthly chart. Each bar is 1 month. Going higher, we broke out of a symmetrical triangle, and these swings going back here, right here. See these guys? Boom. Right past that, making higher highs, higher lows. We're in this nice up leg, and really nothing to stop this. Now we do have an area. I need to probably draw this in. This swing high right here, that resistance is, we're right there at it. So we really need to get back above 1400. 1400 is a major area we really need to get above before we get too excited here in the markets. Now on the daily chart, we're at a major support area. Support with a hammer. So this dude looks like it's ready to rock. It can pop up here, be really nice, but you're doing it inside the confines of a rising wedge, which is bearish with the bearish divergence in the MACD. So it may only be a few days before it wants to roll over. You might get several days before it rolls over. So, but this is something, just know you're taking on some risk, but purchasing here. But I've been in cash going into this. Now I'm looking and hungry for some opportunities for purchasing. If I go to the weekly chart, nice run, but here you have kind of a dark cloud cover. Now it's more of a bearish thrusting pattern because we haven't pierced the middle part of that. And going here, check this out, the monthly support, we break that trend line right here. We run up, and we cannot break above this trend line again. So this dude looks like it's ready to drop. Gang, if we go lower than 12,734, we're in a lot of trouble. So watch that. On the NASDAQ, this is a monthly chart I'm showing you. Big symmetrical triangle, breakout, boom, to the upside. Everything looks dandy. Now, on the weekly chart, we have kind of a spitting top formation up here. Wondering if we can continue this massive rally. The answer is yes, but the markets on the weekly chart needs to relax. This is a huge run. We need some sort of pullback. for the markets to catch its breath. Now on the daily chart, we're holding our own. We're also in a rising wedge, but it's a high base staying above these EMAs, which remains relatively very strong. Bearish divergence on the MACD, something else that we're concerned with. Now on the Russells. The Russells, this is a daily chart. We're starting to roll over. We get a nice little pop here on Friday. Now it looks like small caps are already making a run, so that could be an indication of forward shadowing here, that we could get a nice little run going into the start of next week. Now on the weekly chart, building this high base, really need to get over 836, so be watching 836. We need to get over that area. On the monthly, we are just poking our head just now above an area of resistance and a trend line. That's good to see, so it's relatively strong. If I go over here to gold, this is the monthly chart, we're pulling ourselves back off of this trend line heading up. The weekly chart, look at this. This is a golden pullback. Nice little bull pullback. If I were to pull a fib on this, see where we're at. Oh, look at that. It did a touch at 61.8 and a bounce, and we're at the 50% right now. So gold looks like a nice buy if we can continue to make a bounce going into next week. I called this on our last video saying we had this gap down run up, look for gold to pop, and sure enough it popped big time. Big gap up and a run on GLD. Look for more continuation of this run if the markets, or if gold continues to show bullish favor. So really good to see. Now on Apple, a lot of you guys trading Apple, we need to get back over $600. We're below it right now at 596. We need to get above that. On the weekly chart, you have what's called an evening star reversal pattern. That is quite bearish. So if we do make a new low, meaning that if we go lower than 589, if we go lower, close lower than 589, look for a correction to take place. We will, the 600 area will prove to be a resistance area. On the daily chart, or the monthly chart, this dude is on fire, heading straight up. With this sort of exponential move, we're looking at a target of maybe 700 if not higher. Right now, as far as the PEG ratio is concerned, we are undervalued still on Apple even at these prices, meaning that you're getting it at a bargain. Speaking of that, I give you 6 courses. If you haven't taken the free 101 courses, 6 courses, do yourself a favor, go through those. But I want to help you become a rock star trader. If you want me to take you in under my wing to help you become a confident trader in the live markets, I have put together something that no one else can touch. It is second to nothing else out there. I want you to take the 201 courses. Take them. It's over 6 hours, 28 very robust lessons of my tips and tricks and secrets in trading, and this will put you on the path to help you become the best trader you can be in the market. So they are the 201 courses. They're all done online. So to get immediate access to those, go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. You see the website there. Go there, the bottom right quadrant, click on that and sign up. Furthermore, if you are a day trader and you want to use a 1-minute chart and have somebody help you pick your stocks, click on the chart school. I mean, chat room. In the chat room, there's the free one, the basic one, where people are in here talking about, you know, stocks that they're in, and so on and so forth. And then the premium one down here, it looks like people are leaving now. It's after hours at the time of this. And let's see here. Yeah, so this was Mark's on Friday. He's the one that leads this. Okay, for the day on called, that's a called trades, 11 to 13 trades with a break even of 1 of just 0.1% loss. Best called trade was KBH long, making 3.35%, and TVX long at 3.15%. Net for all called trades today, this is just Friday, is 15.85%. So you want to make sure, gang, that you're watching these videos, but I'll give you 30 days free. Chances are that will help you pay for the subscription price of this chat room. Just go and try it out for a month. You'll love it. And this is the home page at our website. the bottom right quadrant. Go here for the V newsletter if you want to follow my stock picks. But the chat room, Grokstar chat room, 30 days free. Just get signed up. You can cancel anytime. There's no risk. Try it out and see it. You have to see it to believe it. 201 trading courses. This is what's going to help you become a great trader. We all need formalized trading education. I've put together something that is second to none. That is what you want to get. Make sure you do that. And then once you get to a certain level, then you'll be ready for this. But this is not for everybody. This is for those that really want to make trading their career and they want to do things to a much higher professional level. So anyway, take care. Safe trading to you. Remember that trading preservation comes before making a profit in the markets. Focus on your trading rules and make sure you have a trading plan in place, and stay tuned and stay connected with us. This is a growing community here at Grok Trade, and we'll keep you on track to do great and wonderful things in the markets.